Hi everybody, it's me Brandy with Be Vintage Fashion and Decor. Sorry, I was getting situated in my chair there. Okay, so today I have a little bit of a different kind of video for you. I recently had gotten a tote of jewelry from a local thrift store, and there were all these Disney watches in there. I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm going to pull aside a few and I will explain why. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Okay, I'm going to go through the watches and show them to you. But these 7, I actually took them and had the watch batteries professionally changed in all of them. I am not ready to learn how to do that myself yet. And I did not want to practice on these because I didn't want to scratch them up or anything. These are all in excellent condition. I know there's a lot of Disney lovers out there that collect Disney watches and Disney jewelry, and some of these are truly just beautiful pieces. So I'm going to set them aside and we're going to go through them together. Everything you see here today is going to be for sale. I will put the price on the screen along with my email, and I will let you know how much each of them are. You can email me at the bevintage74@gmail.com to let me know which ones you're interested in. And it's $5 flat rate shipping under £1 in the US. I do ship internationally. It just depends on where you live, where it's going basically, as to how much the shipping would be. So let's get started. So first off would be this really nice Mickey Mouse watch. It's kind of just basically your standard Mickey watch. And the watch band is genuine leather, size 16 it looks like, and it's this kind of mustardy color yellow, kind of matches Mickey's gloves and his shoes. And everything's working great, and like I said, has a new battery. It is made by Loris Quartz, and it is an official Walt Disney company Mickey Mouse watch. So you can see it's running, and like I said, the batteries have just been replaced in it. Okay, so I'm going to number these watches because I like it when I do that. It makes life easier for you guys and for me. So this one is going to be number 1. Okay. Mickey watch number 2 is on a red band. So we had mustard, now we have ketchup. On a red band, also a Loris Quartz watch. I forgot to mention that this glass on here is in great condition. I mean, I don't even see a scratch on it, just so you know. This one, there is a little bit of like scuffing, not scratching, but kind of scuffing just right over here. I can feel it. Honestly, I can't see it, but I can kind of feel it. And it may even just need a good cleaning. Let me see. Do I have a towel? Let me wipe that down. I have a little antibacterial cloth here. Yeah, okay. I think that did it. I think it was just a little schmutz on there that needed to be wiped down. I took these directly to the jeweler's and had the watch battery changed and did not have a chance to like kind of scrub them down, so to speak. Yeah. Okay, so that I think it went away. I don't feel it anymore. There might still be, actually, now that I'm kind of looking at it in different light, there might still be a little bit of a scuff, but like I said, I can't even really see it. So this one is a little bit of a larger face, as you can see. Like here's the other one in comparison to that one. So that one's a much larger faced watch. And it's also a genuine leather watch band and size 20. The back is not scratched up or anything. It's in really good condition. Okay, that's watch number 2. Watch number 3, we're going to do Donald. This is a nice aqua colored band and also a genuine leather band. I don't see, oh, there it is. Oops. 16R is the size. And it's Donald Duck. I love how His face is being covered up by his hands. That's cute. It's also a Loris quartz watch. And I am not seeing any scuffs or anything. Whoever had these took really great care of them. So maybe that red one they just wore a little more. I'm not sure, because these bands are actually in really great shape too. So that was watch number 3. Watch number 4 is Goofy. And what I love about this one, let me give this one a little wipe down, make sure that's not a little schmutz on there. Yep, it was. That went right off. Also a very clean glass. Is that the third hand on this, because it's Goofy, actually goes backwards. So your third hand is going counterclockwise. Right? No, would that, oh my gosh, I'm having a brain malfunction. Would that be, yeah, counterclockwise. Yeah, I'm right. Okay. But his regular hands tell the time, but his third hand actually goes completely backwards. So I thought that was really cute. And it's also genuine leather. This one I do not see a size on, but you can see great condition. The back face is really in good shape. I mean, overall, these watches are in excellent condition. And this is also a Loris quartz watch. Okay, that's watch number 4. Watch number 5. Here we're getting to the stretch bands. And this is a silver and gold tone. It has Mickey, Donald, and Goofy all in the watch, on the watch face. And it is, like I said, a stretch band. It's a little roomier on me, but you can have links taken out if you have a smaller wrist. And I'm looking to see if it has like any kind of size. I'm not seeing a size. It is stainless steel. I do see that. But like I said, you could have links removed. And it's got really great stretch and contraction to it. It also has a date spot there as well too. So these, you can see the third hand moving, all have the new battery. And this one is going to be watch number 5. And obviously it needs the time and the date changed on all of these. Made sure they were working, but he did not set the time on them. Okay, watch number 6. Also a two-toned gold and silver tone. Let me clean that off. I am seeing a little, there we go. There was a little something on there. Keep in mind, these were all shoved into a jewelry lot, so they got a little stuff on them when they were in there. This one also in great condition. There's maybe like a little wear to the band in the center here, where maybe somebody's wrist was on their desk a lot, or on their, you know, moving on their keyboard, but it's very minimal, you can see. Also a stretch band. This one does not have the date in there. It just has Mickey Mouse in the gold tone. And then the face is like a whitish silver tone. And this one is adjusted a little bit smaller than the other one, but like I said, still stretchable, and you can still have links removed if you need them too. And I do have, I don't know if this matters so much because it is stretchable, but I do have my little tape measure out here. And unstretched, that's at 6 inches. And this is watch number 6. Let me do watch number 5 and see how big that one is when it's not. It's about a 6.5 unstretched out for the one with Mickey, Donald, and Goofy. Okay. This one is by far my favorite. Let me clean off the face so that you get a good look at this. And his face is also in excellent condition. It is a holographic Mickey Mouse, and he's got like a starburst behind him. Also a Loris quartz, also official Disney. This one is all gold toned, and this one is actually I think this is a Spadell. Yeah, this is a Spadell band. It's marked on the back. And this one is actually, like I said, I think this one might have even been on somebody with a larger wrist, maybe possibly a man's wrist. I'm not sure. Or somebody with just a bigger wrist. And this one, unstretched, is, see, this one feels bigger than that other one. So I'm going to go with, it's coming up like 6.5, but I think it's a little bit more because to me it felt more stretched out, or, you know, stretched than that one did. Maybe it's just because it's a bigger band, but yeah, so this is number 8, and this one is by far, I mean, it's gorgeous. I love all of them. I think they're all really nice. These ones with the stretch bands are just, they're just really pretty. This is really classy. Maybe a small bit of wear on the back of this one as well. Probably somebody, you know, on their keyboard or something at work. But yeah, I hope you can see the holograph in that. It's just so cool. And then the third hand is also kind of clear toned to where it looks like it's also holographic. Okay, so the next ones, so those ones all had brand new watch batteries put in them. These ones I'm selling a little less because I have not put watch batteries in them, and some of them have the actual watches themselves don't have any issues. The watch bands, however, on some of these are a little more worn. So these are going to be priced accordingly because of the wear on the bands. Except for this one here, he does not have a new battery in him, Winnie the Pooh, but he is working. So the battery in this one is still working, so I did not replace it. It's so cute because the third hand is actually a bunch of honeybees flying around him. And this one is actually in really great condition. So he was in with those because I didn't bother to have the new watch battery put in. But it's also a genuine leather band, no size on the band. Also a Loris quartz. So he'll be priced, you know, not for having a new battery, but he'll be priced kind of up where the other ones are. Now these ones, obviously I'm not sure if they work. They probably do. All these other ones work and probably came from the same person. Oh, I have one other one. Oh, hold on. There's one other one that's working. Okay, let's do this one before we do Tinkerbell. So this one, the band is a little more worn on this one. It's a Disney genuine leather band. What size does that say? I can't see the size on that. But it's Classic Mickey Adventures, and it's Mickey Mouse. It looks like he's kind of just jumping all around, and the third hand is him going around the clock. And he's got a ladder, and he's up to some stuff in there. I don't know. But this one is still working. I did not, sorry, construction workers next door. I did not replace the battery in this one. And the watch band is still wearable and it still looks good, but you know, you probably would eventually want to replace it just because it is a little more worn, but not worn out, if that makes sense. And it's leather, so it's actually just worn in, so to speak. But this one will also be priced closer to the other ones where, but not like new battery pricing. Okay. Now, on to these ones. No, not all these need new batteries. So Tinkerbell, I absolutely love her. I think she would be so pretty with a different color band. I don't think this black band is doing her justice. This is a man-made material band, which you can tell because the wear on it is a little bit more. The leather bands they last so much longer for obvious reasons. And this is just an adorable watch. It's got Tink in the middle with her arms crossed. There on the face, there are rhinestones all around, you know, looking like diamonds. And then all around the watch face, there's also rhinestones. And the watch face is in excellent condition. I don't see any scratches or anything on the lens. And like I said, I think she would be really pretty with like that color band. Don't you think that would be so pretty to have that color band on her? Or even like a white band, something a little lighter. I just feel like the black is a little too dark for Tink. So, like I said, this one has not had a battery replaced in it. What number are we on? I lost count of my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 10. Winnie the Pooh is 8. The active Mickey is 9, and Tink is 10. Okay. Eeyore is 11. Now his band actually has it's in good condition, and it has that little bit of personalization of the honeybees on there. I think those are honeybees on there. No, it's a butterfly. I'm sorry, butterfly. Honeybees would be Pooh. Okay. And the third hand is a butterfly that flies around him, the little pink butterfly. But he does not have a new watch battery, so he's not operating right now. But the watch face also in excellent condition. And this one, is this one a Loris? I don't see who made this one. I don't see who made this. I mean, it's marked Disney, but I don't see the watch company's name. So there's Eeyore. And then last but not least, this also has its original band, but as you can see, this band is starting to come apart. It's man-made material. Definitely need a new band on this guy. But I love how it's a Mickey Americana. He's giving a salute, and the American flag is behind him. And this one also has gold hands and then gold numbers. And then it is a two-tone because this is a gold knob and then silver watch. So he would be really nice with, you know, a different band. I think it would be a really sharp watch again, which is too bad because it's got the Mickey face on this band, but this band has had it. So this one will be priced accordingly for that as well. And he does not have a new battery in him, so he will need that too. Okay, and 10, 11, 12. This one's number 12. So let's go over that again. I got Mickey with the yellow band. I'm going to stand up so I make sure I see all these. We got Mickey with the red band, Donald, and Goofy. Goofy, Donald, and Mickey. I'm going to put this one below. Mickey. And my hologram Mickey. Winnie the Pooh and his bumblebees. Mickey with his ladder. We got Tink. And we got, where am I going to put Eeyore? We got Eeyore. There we go. And we got Americana Mickey. So those are all my Mickey and his friends' watches. And like I said, this set here, all the watches, batteries have been professionally replaced in them. These two are still operational with their original battery that it was thrifted with. And then these three need new batteries. So I hope you enjoyed this different kind of video today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one.